Welcome to Life Tonic, your trusted source for natural health solutions, wellness tips, and longevity hacks that actually work. On this channel, we explore science-backed health products, supplement reviews, energy-boosting habits and natural remedies, holistic health tips for digestion, sleep, and mental clarity, wellness routines to support fat loss, immune strength, hormone balance, longevity techniques inspired by nature and research.
Have you ever had butterflies in your stomach before a big event? Or felt a stomach ache when you were stressed or anxious? That's not just your imagination. Your gut and your brain are deeply connected, so much so that scientists now call your gut the second brain. And here's the fascinating part. The trillions of tiny bacteria living in your gut, known as your microbiome, can have a powerful impact on your mood, your memory, and even your mental health. Today, we're diving deep into the gut-brain connection, how it works, why it matters, and how you can improve it to boost your mental well-being naturally. The gut-brain highway. Let's start with the basics. Your gut and your brain talk to each other constantly through a two-way communication system called the gut-brain axis. Think of it like a superhighway. Messages travel back and forth via your vagus nerve, your hormones, and even tiny molecules made by your gut bacteria. Here's the crazy part. Your gut produces over 90% of your serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and anxiety. Yes, you heard that right. The majority of your serotonin isn't made in your brain at all. It's made in your gut. That means when your gut health is off, inflammation, poor digestion, or an imbalance in bacteria, your mood can take a hit too. Meet your microbiome. Inside your gut, there's an entire ecosystem, trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes working around the clock. Some are incredibly beneficial. They help digest your food, produce vitamins, and strengthen your immune system. Others, not so much. These can cause inflammation, digestive issues, and even impact your mental health negatively. When your good and bad bacteria are in balance, your gut can send positive calming signals to your brain. But when that balance tips, a condition scientists call dysbiosis, your gut might start sending stress signals instead. Example, ever notice how after a week of fast food, you feel sluggish, irritable, maybe even a bit down? That's not just the grease talking, that's your microbiome reacting to what you fed it. The science behind gut and mood. Researchers have discovered that gut bacteria produce chemicals called short-chain fatty acids and other compounds that can cross into your bloodstream and influence brain function. In fact, studies have linked an unhealthy gut microbiome to anxiety, depression, brain fog, poor stress response. Here's a mind-blowing example. When scientists transplanted gut bacteria from a depressed person into a mouse, the mouse started showing signs of depression too. That means your mental health isn't just all in your head, it's also in your gut. How to nourish a happy gut. So, the big question, if our gut affects our mood, how do we take care of it? Tip 1. Eat more fiber-rich foods. Fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains feed your good gut bacteria. Think of fiber as their favorite food. When they're well-fed, they produce mood-boosting compounds. Tip 2. Include fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso naturally contain probiotics, live bacteria that can help balance your microbiome. Tip 3. Cut back on ultra-processed foods. Sugary snacks and processed foods can feed harmful bacteria and cause inflammation. Tip 4. Manage stress. Remember, your gut listens to your brain too. Chronic stress can damage the gut lining and disrupt your microbiome. Try meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to keep your stress in check. Tip 5. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep disrupts gut bacteria and in turn your mood. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. When to seek help. While diet and lifestyle changes can make a huge difference, sometimes your gut needs extra support. If you have persistent digestive problems, anxiety, depression, or brain fog, it's worth talking to a doctor or functional medicine practitioner. They can run tests to see what's going on in your microbiome and guide you with supplements like probiotics or prebiotics tailored to your needs. The bottom line? Your gut and your brain are in constant conversation, and what you eat, how you manage stress, and how you care for your body all influence that dialogue. If you want better mental health, don't just focus on your thoughts. Start by nurturing your gut. Because when your gut is happy, your brain can be happy too. Here's to a healthier mind and a happier life.
If you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe for more natural health tips and share it with someone that need it.